Okay, guys, Tuesday, and I'm still stuck in a rut. And yeah, weather's good. It's bright. I can wear my shirt only. I don't need a jacket for it. But still stuck in a rut. Today's our summer break week, and I can't do anything at this point. I'm just sulking there because I can't write anything. Everything's fucking up, and I'm not doing anything. I don't know what to do now. But yeah, just did skate for a while. Heading to Kohl's to buy some stuffs. That way I can reset and just go out. And yeah, now that I'm out here, it's not bad. If there's no wind, it's not cold. But if I'm there and it's a bit windy, it's gonna be cold. But other than that, yeah, still stuck in the rut here. So how are you guys going? I don't know. Might as well throw some old videos right now, and I'm gonna just check old videos. I have nothing to say right now, so yeah, just a good day. It's starting to get cold. I'm gonna go inside. See, the sun's gone. It's getting cold suddenly because there are clouds. But I'm gonna get inside there now. Just check out the throwback video. Enjoy. Okay, I don't know what I'm trying to figure out right now. Just have this old video from way back 2017, I reckon. So yeah, this was life before COVID. Like, you just go out, spend your day outside, and see a lot of people. I used to work in CGU, so I'm on top of a building. It's a nice spot. You can see nice cars, everything, nice things to the street. I don't know. I'm just missing going out and just looking around the CBD, watching the people, watching everyone go on with the day. But yeah. So I just hope that all of us get vaccinated, and yeah, we'll have better days. We'll be learning to live with all this COVID thing. I'm so tired. I'm really tired. I miss looking at people. Scenes like this. A lot of people around. That's me also filming it. Noob, look at the lights. Anyway, yeah, I miss life.